Hello viewers, welcome back. So this is the second video as part of our series on Tally's latest release 5.0. In the last video, we covered the strip view that was provided in release 5.0. In this video, we will see a very small enhancement but very useful enhancement for your receivable and payable management, that you can now sort your pending bill in the pending bill table based on your choice. So let us go to Tally and explore what are the sorting options that provides and how are we going to set up the sorting for pending bill in the parties pending bill table. Let us understand the feature of pending bill sorting. Whenever we make a payment to a pending parties bills, or when we are receiving amount against pending invoices from our customer, when you're making a receipt transaction or a payment transaction, the moment we select against reference, we will get the list of bills pending in the reference table. So let us just look at the reference table. So let's make a payment to our vendor, who's Akshaya Enterprises, and then observe the listing of the pending bill in the table. So I go to voucher entry, payment, select Akshaya Enterprises, and the moment you select against reference, we will see the pending bill table getting listed here, and the default listing is based on the reference number or the reference name. So if you observe here, it starts with 2 3, then 3 again repeating, so it is listing the next one, then 4 7 8, and the R is the alphabet, so it is coming in the last. But if you notice here, the due dates are mixed up, right? So if you see, the 31st March due date of 100 rupees is coming as third, and October is gone to the last line item. Now this is where in Tally Release 5.0 provision is provided. You can decide how you want to sort the pending bill table when you select against reference. So how do we configure the pending bill sorting method, and what are these sorting methods that are available in 5.0? Let us see now. Let's go back to Gateway of Tally. For you to view the different sorting method, click on F1 Help and then select Settings, and under Settings select the menu Display, and under Display, if you see here, this is the table configuration, and these are the global configuration like we saw in our previous video. So the option here, it says sorting method for pending bill in vouchers. It is set to default, which is what just now we saw. Now when you click here and when you press enter, you will get the various sorting methods that you can apply for the pending bills globally, for pending bills that needs to be received or paid. So let us say we want to sort this by due date increasing. Select due date increasing and press enter. So now we have set that every time when you are looking at the pending bill table during the voucher entry, all the pending bills will now be sorted based on the due date increasing. We don't have to save this, you can just press escape. And now when we come down to voucher entry, we will see the pending bill being sorted based on the option that we have selected. So we go to voucher entry again, select Akshaya Enterprises. Now when we say against reference, you will now notice that the pending bills are sorted based on the due date, irrespective of the invoice reference number. So quickly, to see the original thing, for us to see the difference between the new configuration that we have done and the default configuration, you will now observe that this is the default listing, where we will see that due dates are not arranged in the increasing order. Since we have configured now for the due dates to be listed increasingly, we are now seeing that May, June, July, August, October and March is getting listed. So this way you will have better control over the receivables and payable bills when you are basically setting off against the reference for monies received or monies paid. So quickly again, if you want to change, let us say we will try one more sorting method where we say amount increasing, so that the lower amount will go on top and the higher amount will come down. Again, click on F1, settings, display, click on the sorting method, press enter, and now we will say it is balance increasing. So you have balance increasing, decreasing. You can also sort by bill date decreasing, increasing, due date decreasing, increasing, and final balance decreasing and increasing also, or by default the reference number ascending or descending. So in case if the balance amount and the final balance, if there is a variation, then you can apply this sorting method based on balance amount or final balance also. So let us say balance increasing and escape. Now we say enter, and the moment we say against reference, we will now notice that in this case the final balance and the balance amount are same. So you will notice that the balance is increasing from smaller value to the higher value. Based on your requirement, you have this option where you can sort your pending bill in the table in the voucher as per your choice. I hope this very simple feature would be of great assistance for all of you to manage your receivable and payable in a very effective manner, and also gives you a clear tracking of your pending bill based on the options that we saw Tally provides for your pending bill sorting. So thank you all once again for staying till the end. See you all in the next session. Thank you very much.